Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Family Law Matters. I'm Dr. Michael Mantell, always privileged to be joining Bonnie Rabinovich Mantell, owner and managing partner of the Primus Family Law Group. Hi, Bonnie.
Hi, Michael. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Good. Your family doing well?
Absolutely. Thank God.
Thank God is right. We are living in very, very tension-filled times. Mental health is a number one concern that so many people have, particularly where families are going through strife, tension, challenge, adversity. And the height of that seems to be with divorce, high conflict divorce. We see messages all over the place that divorce is a ugly thing. It's a gloom and doom thing. It's filled with negativity. Your messaging, your approach, your tactics, your strategy, all of it is focused entirely away from that. I'm bringing as much calm, as much sensitivity, as much respect as possible to an otherwise tension-filled situation. I'll just add, part of why I think many in this world focus on the tension is to continue that billable. I hate to say that, but I know from all the years that I've been working with Primus Family Law, you do just the opposite. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Well, Michael, there are, unfortunately, being a divorce attorney, it is a business, right? So there are people who approach that with only that view in mind. It's a business, got to make money, want to make money. And the best way to do that, unfortunately, is to feed into the negativity, the tension, the stress, the anger, the litigation, the fight, because the more you fight, the more paper there is to produce.
Let me interrupt you for a minute, because in healthcare, the saying is a cured patient is a lost customer.
Yeah. Unfortunately, similar.
Yeah.
But Primus, we try, like you said, to do something different. Yes, there's going to be tension, anger, and ick in divorce. So us as attorneys, we want to calm that down. You have a job, you have children, you have things to do other than your divorce. Us as your attorneys, we want to take the pressure off of you. We do the work for you. Yes, we expect you to be responsive, but we're trying to take the tension away. That is what Primus does. So if we can settle issues that will benefit you and your family, that reduces the stress. If we can settle issues, there are less issues to fight about, that reduces the expense. So yes, we are an amazing litigation firm, but we are an amazing settlement mediation firm, because even if it's one issue out of 10, that's one less issue to argue about. If you are arguing less with your ex-spouse or ex-partner, your children are doing better because they're not caught up in the stress. You're doing better because you're not caught up in the stress. So we try to look at it from a familial perspective. What is your family going through? How can we get you through this terrible, horrible, and awful process with keeping your integrity, your sanity, and your wallet intact? That is our focus. It is unfortunate that all the firms out there don't practice that way, but then, often said, if everybody did like us, but we won't go there.
You have been described as relentless and formidable, but I'm going to add tremendous clarity, tremendous focus, insight, and ingenuity. But above all, there's an atmosphere of kindness, regard, and compassion. And
Michael, just to add a little, every one of our people at Primus have been through the system in one way, shape, or form.
Right.
We're either the product of divorce, or been through divorce, or have stepchildren, or even, military issues, domestic violence issues. every one of our staff have been through the system. So we have a unique perspective, not just from doing what we do from the legality, but doing what we do from the emotional part of having been through it.
If people want to talk with you and get a taste of the different flavor that Primus Family Law Group brings, how can they be in touch?
They can reach us at 619-574-8000, and Milani or Mackenzie will put you on my calendar for a free 30-minute phone consultation, or you can reach us through our website at www.primus, Primus, familylaw.com.
Thanks for another very wonderful Family Law Matters, Bonnie. We'll see you next time.
Bye, Michael. See you soon.